Hello friends, welcome back to Product Secrets Review. So in today's video I'm going to review about one interesting and exciting product for the first time, that is the Fiamma Gel Bar with patchouli and macadamia for soft glowing skin plus conditioner. So if you are a lover of shower gel, then this is also best for you. This soap bar is made from very natural ingredients, that is the patchouli and macadamia. So this is a gel-based soap that are transparent. The soap is so foamy, it produces a very nice foam while you apply this on your body, and it has a very nice floral fragrance. Actually, you will get the smell of patchouli flower or plant. Before moving on to the video, now let me tell you first, what is this patchouli or macadamia? So this patchouli name comes from Tamil accent, pakuli. It's a species of a flowering plant that normally grows as a bushy aroma herb. Its color might be pale pink, white, if you have ever seen it. So these plant and flowers are especially used in medicines, and they are also mostly used in fragrance, in perfumes, oil or soaps like that. The main benefits of this patchouli for our skin is it treats skin conditions like dermatitis, acne or dry, cracked skin. So if you apply this soap on your skin, you will feel so relaxed, and also it maintains the stress and anxiety of the next ingredient they have is macadamia. So macadamia is actually a nut that looks butter-like flavor and has creamy texture. So this nut has high levels of palmitoleic acid and omega-7 fatty acid, which is believed to help skin retain suppleness. Along with that, it also has good amounts of vitamin E and squalene. So these nutrients helps our skin in reducing inflammation and stress issues from the skin. So these are the two great ingredients that we have on this gel bar. Now let's talk about its packaging. As you can see here, the packaging is so attractive and beautiful. Even the inner packaging is much more attractive than this outer covering. And then in the packaging they have given some details and features of this soap. If you check here, you will see Fiamma Gel Bar. When your mood needs a lift, this gel bar will be a gift with fragrance and skin conditioners too. Get refreshed skin and be the new you. If soft glowing skin is what you miss, look no more, patchouli and macadamia it is. Also clearly given, it is dermatologically tested and safe on skin. This soap is suitable for all skin types, whether oily skin, normal or combination skin. And the price for this single unit soap is for 65 rupees with its net quantity of 125 gram. Actually, I bought this on combo offer, which is buy 4 unit and get 1 unit soap free. Its shelf life given is for around 2 to 3 years, but this soap can get finished by 2 to 3 weeks if you use it regularly, because it's a gel based soap and they get diluted or melted easily and then finish up faster. So guys, now I'm going to open this soap and see how it comes. So this is how it looks like. Inside it comes with another plastic paper cupboard. It's written here, Maybe Kush, Skin Be Kush. And here's the final product. So it has a cute shape of water drops. The color is transparently pink, looking very pretty. So the smell of it is kind of fruity smell. Even after you finish your bath, you will have the nice scent of this soap. Whenever you apply this soap, it removes all the dirt from the body properly and makes your skin soft, smooth and glowing. It doesn't make the skin so dry after bathing, so you don't need a immediate moisturization on your skin. So overall, according to my opinion, I really love this product. You can buy this in single unit or buy in combo pack, which is much better. So friends, that is it all about my today's review. If you like this video, please give it a like, and also please subscribe to my channel so that I can be motivated and share more information with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, take care. Bye.